Hello everyone, and welcome back to our new video. So you want to control when Etsy pays you. Change these settings. They are basically easy to do. So inside Etsy you can choose how often your payouts are sent to your bank. That's something usually doable. So in today's small tutorial we're gonna talk on how to actually set your Etsy deposit schedule fast and easy as usual. So right now, all I'm gonna do is open my device, make sure I'm fully connected to the internet. I'm gonna go and look for Etsy.com. So right now, I'm gonna go tap on this thing all the way here. I'm gonna go through the Etsy platform. Then I'm gonna go and log in using my current account so I can access my shop manager. So all you're gonna do is tap on Shop Manager, then tap on Finances, then select Payment Settings. Then find the deposit schedule. Choose your preference. Is it daily, weekly, bi-weekly, or even monthly? Then tap on Save. And that's it. Etsy will now follow your selected schedule. As for bonus tips, daily deposits improve cash flow. Weekly works well for budgeting if you are trying to save money or something like this. New sellers may have temporary payout delays, so keep it in mind. If you are new, don't even try to do the daily deposits. You can try bi-weekly or monthly, it works best for you. So thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.